Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to circle crop image in Canva. So let's get right into it. Head over to your browser and go to search Canva. Once you're there, just tap on create a design and then just start with anything. Once you're there, just go to elements and go to frames. From there, choose the circular frame. Once you have chosen it, then just scroll down and you will find our option of uploads. Then just upload a picture from here, and once you do it, just position it on your frame, and once you do it, it is currently circle cropped in that frame. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.